Hello. So I am starting my 90-day challenge. It's a transformational challenge, both my mind, my body, how I look, my hair, which will be changed later. So I am going to show you how I look now in a second. I just realized I might look a bit like I'm naked, but no, I'm wearing a bikini, guys. I'm wearing a bikini, don't freak out. So I don't know how to explain this. I think maybe a lot of you in a similar situation, but you know, the whole quarantining, lockdown situation made everyone stay at home. And you know, the first couple of months I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get into the fitness, I'm gonna exercise, I'm gonna eat healthy. And then after a few months, all of that went down the window. And being a full-time chef, pastry chef, and designing, trying, developing loads of delicious cakes, pastries, recipes, and I've, you know, made 2 courses last year. So in the last year, I've just eaten so much cake, literally for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I gained a lot of weight. Now, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, you look great. And, you know, yes, I look fine, you know what I mean? But every woman, and a guy as well, every man, you know how you look at your best, you know how you feel at your best, and this is not my best, and this is my worst. And I know how I used to look and how I felt, and I want to just go back to that healthy mindset, healthy feeling light, you know, and all sorts of things. So as you know, I moved to Mexico. So I am starting my 90-day challenge. I have also announced it on my social media, and so many of you joined because I said, you know, if anyone else wants to kind of jump on the wagon and do this 90-day challenge with me. And what do I mean by 90-day challenge? You will see a full transformation, okay? So I am planning to meditate twice a day. I'm planning to start yoga next week. I'm going to exercise with a trainer 4 times a week. And I'm just gonna walk a lot. Walking is like one of the best exercises I find personally, mentally, and health-wise. You know, you walk, you think, you clear your head, and also obviously it's good to move your body, and it's our natural way to, you know, walk and burn some calories. I always say, like, you only have one you as a person. It's only one you in the world, right? You're unique, you're beautiful, you're sweet, or, you know, whatever character you have your unique attributes. And only you gonna love you as much as, like, basically no one else is gonna love you as much as you can love yourself. And this is something that I'm gonna try and learn to do this year, and even start with this challenge. I really want to start loving myself more, spending more time on me, on my health, on my mental health, on my body, and really just taking care of it. I've done a really bad job in the last 2 years, actually more than that, probably in the last, you know, 6 years. I've just been terrible to myself. Well, maybe not terrible, but I haven't been great. And I don't know, you know, I just feel like it's finally time for me, and that's why I'm gonna invest in myself, invest in a trainer, someone who has the knowledge and the skills to start me up, train me correct way, and then maybe after that I'll do it myself. I'm investing in, well, I'm actually living in a hotel room which has no kitchen, so I'm actually investing in the food that's gonna be delivered to me so I can eat healthy within the guidelines that my personal trainer with a nutritionist planned for me. Yeah, and I'm just investing, you know, and I thought, like, you know, we spend so much money on random things like stuff, materialistic things. I mean, I don't personally do it that much, but I know a lot of people do. And you know, what for, you know? So the best thing you can do is invest in you, in courses, in yourself, in something that's gonna give you some skills. You're gonna learn something new, you're gonna feel better, and you're gonna be a higher quality person, right? That's how I see it. But no, in a horrible way. I don't mean if you do this, you're gonna be a higher quality person. I just mean if you invest in yourself, you will feel like you've developed, you will feel like you're doing better, and you're growing. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you my body. And I realized I'm doing this online. I've done it before when I did my fasting, so I'm fine. And I want to see, well, we'll see how much I transform in 90 days. And I will kind of do updates if you want me to do updates every week, how I feel. And yeah, let me show you. So this is really embarrassing, obviously, to show your body, but I've gained a lot of weight, you can see. I also still have a bloat, which I've had, for a year now. And yeah, this is how I look right now, day one. There we go. From all the angles. Oh. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm not happy with me right now because this is not my best. And I'm just looking forward to seeing how it's all gonna change. So just to show you, this is what I got. I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. So here we go, my breakfast, half an avocado. I had to deseed that. Weird that they didn't take that out. I've got 2 egg whites, 2 eggs, and I've got my oats porridge with water. Thank you. It looks really funky. I guess I'm gonna start with my porridge. They're doing some sort of renovation. Got my water. So today we're gonna do all the measurements, weight, and then obviously have our training session. I did do a trial with her last week. I think it was Friday, and I've been hurting for like 3 days. So I'm kind of dreading today, but we're gonna train 4 times a week, and we're gonna do 1 day legs, 1 day upper body, and then 3rd day will be a full body, and then the last day will also be legs. So yeah, it's nice and warm. I am ready. This is my gym. It's on the top floor. I'm gonna show you inside. Evolve. This is the coolest gym in here. Obviously I have to pick the coolest gym. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks inside. This is the gym. It's pretty big. Actually, it's massive. And this is Valeria, my trainer. Hello. She's actually from Russia. I mean, what a coincidence. We met in Mexico. So yeah, absolutely dead after today's session. I'm exhausted, but just wanted to show you how big this gym actually is. It's actually pretty huge. You've got the machines there, all sorts. Yeah, pretty big gym. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm also absolutely bloated, which makes me look much bigger than I actually am, but I'm still pretty big right now. And we just did a weight measurement on these scales. Like, this is like so old-fashioned. I haven't even weighted myself on these type of scales in ages. Anyway, the scale number is horrendous. It's so high. Yeah, so I'm just not going to focus on the actual weight and the measurements. We're going to see how it goes, obviously, over the next couple of weeks. But it's critical condition. I haven't weighted that much in literally maybe 6 years, so it's pretty bad. But I'm not going to get disappointed because weight is not everything, and also I know that I'm on the right path and the plan, so we'll see what happens. So this is the hotel's tiny pool. It looks much bigger on the video, but it's tiny. I've got my second meal of the day. I'm gonna show you what's in there. I'm very excited. So this is my lunch. Tomato, avocado, chicken, and potatoes. I'm not sure what this color is, like it looks a bit funky, but it looks, I'm still not even hungry from breakfast, but yeah, let's dig in. Just arrived at the beach. It's not as pretty as Cancun, but it isn't as bad at all. And I'm starting my 90-day challenge with a walk on the beach. Very, very exciting. It looks so nice, it's empty. Got my pedicure done yesterday, so it's beautiful.